we want people to experience this. You're getting in a helicopter with no doors, harnessed in with your camera. There's nothing between you and what you're seeing. We created the shoe selfie. It's basically you stick your feet out of the helicopter and you get your feet with the Statue of Liberty or the Freedom Tower. That's a very popular option for people. My name's Jenna Meyer. I work for NYon. We take the doors off our helicopter and we fly over the city. We have a helicopter fuselage in here so you can actually sit in a helicopter. You are brought into the safety briefing room and they go over all of the safety requirements, take everything out of your pockets.
Come out of the case or can stay in the case?
Let me see if it's like, yeah, you might want to take it out. Yeah, it might slip.
And then you go over points of interest on what you want to see. So our flights are fully customizable. Passengers pick what they want to see on the flight.
You can also see the Manhattan, Brooklyn Bridge, around the One World Trade building, and then you'd be over Lower Manhattan, over the buildings. It's pretty nice.
We're the only company right now taking the doors off. We take, the extra steps to being super safe. We have an 8-point harness.
Pink and red can go in there. Pink and red. You're red. You're excited. You're pumped. Awesome.
The club isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, tripping fast, and then we talk slow. And you come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop it, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead.
The first time I went up, I really didn't know what to expect, honestly. It's not like a plane at all. You kind of just float upwards and then you make your way to the city. It was insane. It was nothing like I've ever experienced before. And every time I go up, it never gets old. I've been up over 200 times, I'm sure, and it's never, it doesn't get old. But every time you go up, obviously, the lighting's different, the weather's different, it's sometimes more windy one day, so that definitely takes into account of, what camera settings you're going to use, how the photos are going to come out. So the more you do it, obviously, the easier it gets. Practice makes perfect.
If you want to swing by the statue and just show their side, that'd be fine.
I love to travel. I was lucky enough to travel as a young child. I've been to many countries, but to do it as a team and to see, to be here from the beginning and just to see where we are now is incredible progress, but to see that where we're gonna go is gonna be amazing. And I think my dream would be to fly in every city and see the world from an aerial view.